Hi all, this vlog is about management responsibility in management systems, especially with the management system standards published by the International Organization for Standardization ISO. So we will just get a quick outlook of what the management has to do in terms of uh, implementing or controlling the management system in an organization. Of all the responsibilities of the top management or the senior management, quality policy comes the foremost. Quality policy is a statement of intent and direction relevant to the organizational goals and also customer or interested party expectations and needs. The senior management is also responsible for the statement of objectives and also to ensure the measurable results within the specified timelines. The policy should form the framework for the objectives, and from the policy stems the objectives, and thus the policy is deployed into the organization at every function and level. The management is also responsible for the communication of the quality policy, or it may be any other policy also, environmental policy or occupational health and safety policy. This should be communicated to the entire organization and should be understood at all levels. The senior management also has a key role in allocating the roles, responsibilities, and authorities for all the personnel to ensure that the management system is intact. The top management is also responsible for the allocation of resources. They'll have to identify the resource requirements and also provide adequate resources to ensure that the management system is implemented. It is also the duty of the top management to ensure that the management at all levels perform, especially the middle management. They should be empowered with the authority required to implement the management system. Trained personnels are required to be assigned to perform the work. The competence of the people who are in the organization ought to be ensured. The competence could be in the form of education, it could be in the form of experience, or it could be in the form of training or other awareness. The senior management also ensures that the verification activities are carried out. For example, the check part of the Plan Do Check Act model, the internal quality audits or the internal audits for various management systems. The senior management also ensures that the authority and responsibility over implementation and maintenance of the management system is done, and the appointment of right resources, not only the human resource but also the financial resources as well as the material resources are to be provided, and the responsibility for implementation at all levels have to be identified, and they must ensure that the performance at all levels are reported to the top management at periodical intervals. The top management also ensures that the management system is reviewed at appropriate intervals, and the review covers the continuing suitability of the management system, the effectiveness of the management system, or the internal quality audit results, the objectives, and so on and so forth. The management output shall include allocation of adequate resources to ensure the implementation and also to ensure that the objectives of the management system is fulfilled. So it is the sole responsibility of the senior management to ensure that the objectives of the implementation of the management system and its effectiveness are ensured. Since the concept of the management representative is not a mandatory one, the responsibility of the success of the management system lies with the top management, that is the leadership. Therefore, the leadership is solely responsible for the outcome of the management system, and they have to be committed and they'll have to ensure that the implementation happens at all levels and the system is implemented as per the intent. So far, we have been talking about the management responsibility. Now, who is top management or the senior management? Whoever makes decision at some level. They may be within the premises, within the office, within the plant, or within the region, or it could be a head of the country. Whoever is driving the project is the leadership. Whoever directs, whoever gives the vision for the implementation of the system is considered to be the top management. So this definition is quite broad. Does this make this easier to have different top management for different audits? You have to tell me. Share your views in the comments and hope you like this blog on the management responsibility or the leadership responsibility in a management system and how it is being implemented as per the requirements of the ISO standards. Take care. Bye bye.